everyone, it's Kelly Rosetta and welcome to Butterfly Beauty. These are a series of YouTube tutorials where we review certain makeup items, we give you some product tips, and kind of just give you some inspiration if you are a woman or a man who has lupus or a chronic illness and you're on the go. And these are your tips and tricks for your day. And today I'm so excited about today's video, guys. I mean, like, this is excited, and then here's me. I've turned it up from like a 4 to an 11. Anyway, I'm so excited about today's product review. All right, so today I will be reviewing what I think of Selena Gomez's new makeup line, Rare Beauty. So Selena Gomez, if you don't know who that is, she is an entertainer, she's an actress, she's a singer, a platinum recording artist extraordinaire, and she has lupus. She has lupus, and she actually has been pretty open about the highs and lows of her lupus journey with her millions of fans. In fact, a few years ago, she had to have a kidney transplant. A friend donated a kidney because she had such severe lupus nephritis, which is lupus of the kidneys, that she had to have a kidney transplant. But what she's come out with is a new line of beauty products, makeup called Rare Beauty, that's supposed to be really great for lupus skin and just giving you that extra boost of confidence if you enjoy makeup as part of your self-care routine, which I know I do, and that's what these videos are all about. So today's video, we will specifically be reviewing her illuminating primer, her Rare Beauty foundation, which is in the color 280N. And then I kind of mixed it up. I mixed it up this time. Instead of getting a foundation powder or a pressed powder, I decided to try her Blot and Glow blotting sheets, which come with a cute little powder puff and these oil sheets, nice size mirror, and this cute little compact. So let's gonna try this, okay? Here we go. Selena Gomez, bring it on. Selena Gomez, bring it on. Can't wait to try. Can't wait to try. Here we go. Stay tuned. Let's try it out right now. Okay, here we go. My face is clean. I actually scrubbed my face. I felt like I had a little extra oil and dirt and grime because of the air quality here not being so great. So my face is all red and I feel pretty. Oh, so pretty. But you know what? This is just keeping it real, guys. This is me, no makeup on. I have red spots. I have hyperpigmentation around my lips. I've got some dark spots here, a few little acne, scars. You know, this is just keeping it real. Kelly Unplugged. And I don't want you to ever think that I don't have any skin issues with my lupus, because that is a falsehood, as Anne of Green Gables would say. So first things first, we have clean skin. I actually used my favorite go-to, which are ultra gentle on your skin. These are my CeraVe makeup removing cleanser cloths. These are recommended by dermatologists and even endorsed by the National Eczema Association. Love these. I used that. Now I'm going to use the Selena Gomez Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer, and you can get these products on Sephora.com. I'm going to use my makeup sponges, aka my fingers. And I know, not supposed to be touching my face right now because of COVID, but guess what? I have clean hands. I have not been around anybody. Okay, so that feels nice and smooth and silky. It actually absorbed into my skin really quickly. So my skin does not feel oily. It just like sucked it in, probably because my skin is ultra dry right now. Maybe I'll do a double dose. Wonder why this canister is like gone in 2 days. Okay, let that set. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try this really cool looking foundation. This is the Rare Beauty Full Coverage Foundation, and it is in the color 280N, which is sort of a medium warm. So let's try this. Ooh, this is cool. Has a nice little knob to hold on to, and then it's a suction and a nice cool little brush here. Very cool. I've never had a foundation like this before. What should I do? How much should I put on? I think I'm gonna need a little bit extra. I'm feeling a little extra today. I'm not using any cover up any concealer. I'm just gonna try the foundation all by itself. Aren't they cute? Anyway, all right, here we go. Let's get this blended. No, you can use a beauty blender. I have like a gazillion of them, but even with all the beauty blenders that I have, I still always tend to gravitate towards the 10 that God gave me, which are AKA my fingers, because that's the most affordable and convenient option for me. But that is just me. Most people really enjoy using beauty blenders and they like them. So I'm just trying to really blend this in. My skin is sucking this stuff in like nobody's business. It covered up my hyperpigmentation nicely, I will say. Well done. And it blends into my skin tone very well. You never know, when you're trying a new line of makeup, if it's gonna work with your skin color or not. So far, so good. It has a tiny bit of sheerness to it, but it doesn't make my skin feel oily. It looks pretty even. You see there's a little bit of sheerness to it? Sheen, there we go. All right, so now I'm going to take my beauty puff, and just kind of go over my skin like that. And then I'm going to take these Blot and Glow blotting sheets that come in this really cute compact and get out any extra oil, dirt, grime. They are tinted, so I'm assuming they are leaving a little bit of color on your face when you do this, but TBD. Let's see. All right, let's just let that sit. I'm just going to do a little tiny bit of bronzer, also using it somewhat as a contour. If you are unfamiliar with contouring, that is when you just kind of highlight your natural bone structure around your cheekbones, kind of your temples, sides of your nose, jawline. Okay, what do we think, guys? Actually, if I look at it up close, it makes my skin feel pretty. Remember how red my skin was right before we got started? My skin is pretty even. It's full coverage. It covered up my hyperpigmentation around my lips very nicely without using any concealer. I'll tell you the things that I liked. Regarding the illuminating primer, I think that might be where the little bit of that sheen is coming from. It's coming through. It felt smooth. It wasn't greasy. My face sucked it in. So I did two rounds of dabs. I usually do 3, so I did 6 of this. This was nice. I think it does add a little bit of that extra sheen to it. I don't feel like it's heavy on my face. I don't feel it at all. I don't feel any tightness, any itching, which is always good. I really enjoyed this applicator. It was very easy to get it exactly where I wanted it to go. I did, how many dabs did I do? 5. But yeah, I did not use any concealer, and I feel like it covered up my skin issues today really nicely. And that was relatively quick, right? And then this got rid of any extra oil, any grease, any grime, and left my face pretty even. So I'm pretty impressed. Thank you, Selena, for gifting us Loopies with your Rare Beauty line of cosmetics. I'm excited to try new products. And before you ask, no, I was not asked to endorse these products. I'm not getting paid to endorse these products. I wish I was. So if you're out there, Selena, and you're watching and you're like, oh my gosh, fellow lupus sister, I like you, you like me. I'm gonna send you a whole bunch of makeup so that you can show all the other people in the More Than Lupus community all about my brand, then yes, that would be amazing. But if that doesn't happen, I'll still be doing these videos and I'll still be showing the love to you, Selena, because I liked it. I really did. Well done. All right, people. That's it. All I have for you today. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way. Butterfly Beauty, presented by More Than Lupus. Subscribe and share this video, like this video, and follow us on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. Bye for now.